Hey everybody, good afternoon. Matthew, hey Prophet, blessings to you. Matthew 19:6 says, "Therefore what God has joined together, let no man separate." The Lord, blessings. The Lord has said, this season I'm protecting my sons and my daughters from counterfeits. He's protecting you from the counterfeits that are coming, because God is blessings. God is preparing his sons and daughters for marriage. The Lord said, I will connect you with the real man of God or the real woman of God. I'm preparing my sons and my daughters for marriage, a divine purpose. My sons and daughters who've walked through divorce, I am healing your heart so you'll be able to love again. That is why I am allowing you to be single right now. He's allowing the brokenhearted who've walked through toxic relationships and divorces to heal right now, and to heal your heart, to heal, mend your hearts. I'm healing my sons and daughters who have broken hearts from their toxic relationships. Many have toxic relationships that they've walked through, and God is healing the hearts of his sons and daughters. The Lord says, my sons and daughters need to be focused on having a relationship with me. You need to be focused on the relationship with him. And get into his presence. And this is the season where you need to have really sharp discernment, because there's going to be counterfeits that will come. You have to know what is a counterfeit and what is real in this season. And God is making it clear and making it obvious who is a counterfeit and who is real. The Lord is like saying, I know my sons and daughters have a desire to be married. He knows your desire to be married. He knows your desire to have a partner. He knows the desire of your heart. If you delight yourself in the Lord, he will give you the desires of your heart. Waiting on me on divine purpose partner. Waiting on him for your divine purpose partner that God is bringing. Waiting on him to send the one. Yes. Because with marriage, you have to have a divine purpose the person has to have a divine purpose for both of y'all to be one. And God knows the divine purpose and the assignment that's on your life. And don't settle for just anyone. You have to be in divine purpose. You can allow the Lord to heal your heart in this quarantine. Let the Lord take that process and that time with the Lord for Him to heal your heart.